It's a great moment, and thanks Shireen Appa, Nadeem and Asha for giving me this opportunity to express my thanks and gratitude to my teacher, guru and mentor. Lot is being said. I'll just say what the influence Irfan sir was having. As a teacher, he was amazing. Amazing in the sense he taught us the economic history of Western Europe. And can you imagine, we were at a dismay that whole semester passed, almost 10 or 15 days left, and he was just teaching the one topic, enclosure movement. But at that time, not realizing the importance, through that enclosure movement, he just created the entire history, economic history of Western Europe, and that is still as fresh as he taught us at that time. And we were also amazed because in one lecture he used to speak one interpretation from one source and the another interpretation of the same source the next day. So many times we used to go to Shireen Appa to explain, because we were so students and we were sometimes. So he was amazing as a teacher. But my association is 5 decades, and the first encounter with sir was not here in the university, but when I was the student president in Tikaram Girls College. I don't know whether sir remembers or not. At my request, he agreed to grace the occasion, and I was so elated that such a person who has come from the university to Tikaram Girls College, that those days it was never heard of. So that time I was greatly I was so elated at that time. Because the time is running short, so I will not speak much. The only 2 things, as a supervisor and as a teacher, he has trained us in the historical methodology and historical methods in which Aligarh has a forte, and that was the sources. He taught us that be strong on sources, but at the same time he also taught us be honest with them, never deviate or overthink or overinterpret them. That is the strong point which he taught, and is still the forte of mine, I can boast of. This is all credit goes to sir. The second important thing which he taught us, that it is very important to dig up deep into the Mughal archival sources from the colonial archives. How you can do it, and the first paper and the seminal paper which I still feel on the Western Yamuna Canal was the result of that, and I was a student first year, it was my first year, and I could dig up the Firozpur Sanad of Akbar, which was not so far used or utilized, and still does not survive. Sir's, my exposure to the Western scholarship is also sir's contribution. It was his recommendation, his initiative, he asked me to go to SOAS and expose me to not only the rich resources of SOAS, but also the then India office and now British Library. So the third important thing which sir has taught us, very very important, is he made us strong on economic history as well as historical geography. This I never realized till I left Aligarh, because in Aligarh when I was doing on economic history, either Irfan Sahab or Shireen Appa, we always used to think that we know nothing on economic history. Practically before them we knew nothing. But when I went to Delhi, then I realized that how little the others know about the economic history, and it is here actually that the idea on economic history developed, and I developed the 2 major courses, master's level courses on history of Indian economy and urbanization. All credit to sir. Just I'll take 1 more minute, Nadeem. I'm sorry that I know that running out of time. The one thing is sir's pearls of wisdoms are amazing, but I regret now that when we were young, we were not so alert to grasp those pearls of wisdom, because Sir's pearls of wisdoms were one-liner. And we used to think that Sir has just said one line, but now I realized when I was struggling to study the Hundis, which is in Sarrafi. So Sir said, yeah, Abha, you are searching for others to read, because I said that there's nobody to teach us. So he said that no, Tarapal Mukherjee studied or read the entire Braj documents on his own. Apply yourself, and this is the wisdom, pearl of wisdom, which Irfan Sahab had given me. Sir, you will not realize that I succeeded in reading all the 16 Hundis, which is now nobody can read those Hundis. So these are pearls of wisdoms are there. Then the last thing which I would like also, which I have learned from Sir, and I would like that all researchers should also pay attention, is that the present address, the last year when I have given the sectional president address of the Indian History Congress, I was when I was writing or contesting how the binaries of Hindu has started. So I just wrote to Sir that, Sir, what Zakhau has translated, the way he has translated Al-Biruni and implanted the category of Hindu, which Al-Biruni himself has not used. Sir was excited. It was very rare that the same day Sir gives the reply. The same day probably Sir was also excited, but he was extremely cautious because Zakhau has a long reputation. Sir himself agrees to that. So he he asked me to look this angle, that angle. No, Appa, Zakhau must be so polite. He must have used the word kafir, and that's why he was using, he has used the more politer word Hindu here. So please go and check. So the conversation was going on, but once Sir agreed that I am on the right track, Sir praised it, and it was my confidence knew no bounds, because the first time, so I was so pleased. Thank you very much, Sir, for giving us so much, and thank you very much. The only thing that for which we are sorry, I know that he is a great supervisor, and probably he has checked my thesis 4, 5, 6 times, and we have not yet published the thesis. Sir, we are at fault, and I know how much effort a supervisor puts in, but I promise that I would be doing it. Thank you very much, Sir, and thanks for giving me this much opportunity, and thank you very much. Thanks.